Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Learn with Dr. Ibrahim. Today I am going to explain how to insert a donut chart. So let's get started. First, I'll select G3 and G4 cells. I'll go to insert. I'll go here in your pie chart. I'll select donut. I'll remove these header and footer. Then I will select a format. I'll go in format, shape fill. I'll remove the background. Again, shape outline. I'll remove the outline as well. I'll select the first, this one, then I'll click on solid color. I'll select any light color, it can be gray color. Then I'll select the other part. I'll select, let's suppose, green color. Then I'll come down. I'll select the border also with the solid line, the same green color. Then I will change its width. I'll make it 8. Yes, that's done. So now, if you change your data, your, your donut curve will be move. Perfect. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, just give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos.